Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute, so I'll pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, going to go for a call here at 43.50. Looking to do an option. So I'm in there at 43.50 for a call, and out there for a very fast $50. Very good. Going to go down to 42.50 now. If you don't know what options are, just, nope, not 42.50. 41.50 looks a little bit more accurate. If you don't know what options are, just comment down below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk through the terminologies, how this all works. Don't be intimidated. I know sometimes people think options are very complicated, and they can be made that way, but they don't have to be made that way. I approach them in a more simplified way. So if that's how you like to approach things, more simple, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So like I said, just comment down below option guide, and I will link you to that free class. So, all right, I will go ahead. And I should real note quick. And so when I got filled, the number I was looking at was right here. So in order to buy, I needed that number to drop slightly below 43.50. And then when I was looking to sell, I was looking at that number, and I wanted to see that number go slightly up above that 44 number. And when I was able to buy and sell, it goes from white to green. So the reason why that order down there is white right now is because I'm trying to buy at 41.50. But this number has not gone anywhere close to 41.50, let alone below it. Therefore, I have not been able to buy. Therefore, that is remaining white. So that is the main numbers I'm watching right now. But I will go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 41.50 here. All right, that kind of putzing around a little bit more than I wanted to see it. Maybe I was a little too quick to cancel that order out. But it's just looking like I could maybe get a little bit better of an entry point. So I'll keep an eye on it. I was wondering, could I get maybe 41? But 41 at this point seems like it'd be getting filled when it breaks. This has been a strong start, so got a 39.50. Look for an actual and there it comes back down. So yeah, I should have done 41.50, but that is all hindsight. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 39.50. Gonna go to 38.70 now for a call. Nope. That move there, I wanted to get filled. I did not get filled. Gonna go to 37.70 now. All right, I'll keep a close eye on it. Now I'm going to change strike prices here. 20, so 41.70 looks like would be the accurate spot. Let's see if we can get it to come down a bit more. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to go for a put here at 43. All right, let's go to 42 now. Well, that was a spot I couldn't quite get filled though, so might be interested once again to try at that area. It's right at that level. Yep, I'm glad I canceled that out, as it's definitely got a stronger move to it right now. Let's go 40.50 here. No. Is there news out? No, it's a random time. That was a pretty wild move. Glad I canceled that order out there. Played that one definitely right. Here's what the 5-minute chart looks like. Pretty goofy looking chart. Big pullback, and then all of a sudden this 5-minute candle straight back up. All right, I will pause, but yes, definitely a very slow morning right now. Okay, I have an order at 39 here for a put. I'm going to throw one out there at 38 too. So orders to buy at 39 and 38. So let's see if we can get another surge upwards here. All right, I'll pause for now. Okay. Nope, not filling me at 39. So I'm going to 38 now instead. And I'll throw an order out there at 37. All right, let's see if we can get another surge upwards. I will pause. Okay, move my order up to 39.70. In there at 39.70. Out there for another quick $50. Let's go to 39.20 now. I'm at 39.20. Actually, 37.70. There we go. All right, I will pause, but another nice, quick little $50 bill. I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 39.50. Oh, so close. Did not get filled though. All right, gonna go to 38.50 now at this point. $38 actually. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 42.70 here for a put. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 44.50 here. With 44. So I have an order for a put at 44. We'll see if it can make its way up there. Where are we at time-wise? At 9 minutes, so not terribly long. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 39.50 here for a put. See if the price wants to go up just a bit more. I'll pause. Okay, I'm at 39.50. Not filling me though. Always a little worrisome. Let's go to 38.50 now instead. In there at 38.50. And out there for a very quick $40. Usually I'm going for the 50, but I guess in that one I got the 40. Go to 37.20 now on this one. And we'll see if it wants to make another move upwards. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I'm in at 40.20 for a put. Again, in at 40.20. And out there for $80 on that one. Apologize that I did not capture. Did I even hit record? I did. I sort of panicked on the record because it all of a sudden shot up, and I was trying to get it recording, and I wasn't quite sure I even got it recorded. But so at least you saw the exit point there. So another quick trade there. Sort of a bizarre trade in the sense of it's 2:15 in the afternoon. Usually I'm well done, but I don't know. This morning I was kind of distracted with some other things, and I had time. So I thought, you know what, I'll just keep the recording stuff open, and as I continue to talk, and maybe I'll take another trade. I mean, I'm here. This is good action. 38.50, throw an order out down there. Yeah, we'll see if it wants to come up again. But I mean, I should be done, but this is good action. Like I said, I don't have anything on my schedule, but I'll keep an eye on it. So 38.50, I am now up $220 with commissions. I don't know, let's call it right around 210-ish. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. It's been about an hour, and I went and actually worked out. So I haven't even been at the computer, but I'm going to call it good. So I have no idea how long I was in front of my computer today. It was a bizarre day. And I just bring that up because usually at most I want to be in, have about 2 hours of screen time, ideally less than that. And I think it was less than 2 hours, but it might have been 2 hours. I'm not quite sure, but regardless, either way you look at it, closing up right around 210. So just make the math easy. If it was 2 hours today, still up over $100 an hour, and that's where I like to be at for this side hustle. And I call this a side hustle because yes, I have multiple other streams of income. I encourage you to do the same. And by no means could I call myself a full-time trader because I have a lot of other streams. I have real estate investing. I have the teaching business. I have, yes, the trading, but there's multiple streams. And if I can, throw in, over $100 per hour in my pocket, I will definitely do that. That's worth my time. Is it going to buy me a Lamborghini? It's not, but that's not my goal here. My goal as a father of 6 kids is to have freedom of time. And if I can, spend my time wisely, and in my mind, getting over $100 for an hour of my time, I'll take that. It helps me accomplish my goals in the search of the flexibility, the freedom of being able to do what I want when I want to do it. To me, in my stage of life, that is the ultimate freedom. So, but now, don't get me wrong, if you want that Lamborghini, if that's your goal, I hope you go out there and get it. I hope you can accomplish that. But that's all I have for you. So yeah, maybe that'll be the title, a bizarre day, because that's what it felt like. It's just, I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it other than bizarre. But overall, I'll call it a mission success. So if you appreciate these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.